Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing a recipe of squid masala. This preparation is very commonly made all over Mangalore. Soak some dry red chilies in warm water for around 10 to 15 minutes. You can increase or decrease the number of chilies depending on your taste. Take soaked red chilies in a mixer jar. Add in garlic and ginger. Some turmeric powder, curry leaves, vinegar and salt. Soak some tamarind in water, discard the pulp and use the water while making the paste. Keep 2 to 3 tablespoons of the paste aside and add the remaining to the squid. Mix well and let it marinate for around 30 to 40 minutes. Heat ghee in a pan. Add in some curry leaves. Add the red chili masala, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and fry it till all the raw smell goes. Add in the marinated squid and mix well. Let it cook well, need not add water. As we cook, the squid will release some water from it, so need not add more water and let it cook well. It should take roughly 5 to 7 minutes to get it done. Do not overcook it as it will turn rubbery. You can serve it with neer dosa or with rice as a side dish. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.